Good evening. We're here.
We're back and we're going bowling today.
Bowling.
Yes.
That is awesome. We haven't been bowling in a long time.
No, we haven't.
And yeah, well, I've not really seen a bowling YouTube video, to be honest, I don't think. So I was like, you know what? Got something to do. We'll just go bowling and record it.
Why not?
And hopefully you guys get some idea of what this sort of bowling is like. But yeah, no. We'll see you in there, I guess. Natalia's first shot. Here we go. Let's see how she does. Oh, it's not bad. That's all right. That's pretty good. That is good. Oh, it counted as a strike. Wait, did you get the strike?
Yeah. Oh my god, I've never hit the ball.
I thought it was one left.
Same, that's why I literally went to get to the ball.
Oh my god, it's rigged. It's rigged.
Yes.
I recorded the last video in slow-mo, so she didn't do very well on the first shot. But here she goes trying to get a spare. Oh, just one left, almost. So that was the second go. Didn't do too bad there. There we go, Natalia's third shot. How has that done that? That is so lucky. That was so weak. Can she get the spare? Oh, is he gonna hit the bumper in time? No. Oh.
Next third shot now.
Would this come off?
Getting serious now, yeah. Oh, you got it! You got it!
Oh, I'm back in the game now. That's it. Here we go. Natalia's fourth shot, fourth. Oh, it's down the middle. It's good. Oh my god. Oh, it's a good one. Now we take it. Almost. That was a good shot. Here she goes. Can she get the one in the corner? Oh! It was so close. Almost.
Next turn now. Not bad. Not bad. And he goes again. Let's see if he can get a spare. Let's see. Oh no! Deck.
I knew from the throw that was going to be shot. Here we go then. Natalia's fifth shot. Oh, it's going off a bit. Oh, not bad. Could be better, but not bad. Here she goes. Can she get the spare? I almost went through the gap. Oh.
Got that one.
Yeah.
Fifth turn now. Whoa! That was good! Yeah, going in for the spare. Go on, Deck. Oh, and he's got it! He's got the spare.
Here's a look at the scores at half time. Natalia's sixth shot wasn't too bad. She caught me off guard with the bowling. I didn't catch a run up, but you know. Here we go. Can she get the spare? Oh, it's good. Good job. Nice stuff.
The striking bound. Oh no!
Look at it.
spare.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
Take that one. Natalia's 7th shot. Oh, it's not bad. It's near the middle. Not too bad. That wasn't too bad.
It went really straight down the middle.
Oh. Can she get the spare? Oh, she got the 2 though. The 3. Not bad. Not bad.
Go on deck. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Here we go. Oh, you joking? What was that?
You know what? I threw it awkwardly and actually almost threw it like fully thrown. Oh. Natalia's 8th shot. Here we go. Oh, she's going, oh, God. Oh, that's alright. That was alright for where it was placed. Can she pull off the spare? Oh, oh, that's not bad.
I thought it was going to go down the middle.
Not bad.
Deck thinks he's going to score a strike now. Let's see. No. No, no, not bad. Not a strike though.
No.
Let's see if we can get the spare. Way. Stairs.
Natalia's 9th shot. Here we go. Not bad.
I always leave them in the middle. Like they always hide the back ones.
Definitely not too bad. Can she get the spare? Oh, it's good. Oh, it's unlucky. It's unlucky.
So I actually did get a spare on the last go, which is very lucky. I'll take that. Let's see if that can pull off a strike or a spare. Oh, that's going to be tricky. Oh, at least you got the one.
Yeah, we'll take the one. Natalia's 10th and final shot. Can she make it count? Here we go. Oh, it's not looking good. It's not looking like a good start there. Can she pull off the spare? Oh no, she's gone down the gap. Oh, it's over. She's not won it. Oh.
Next 10 to go now. Better than me. Can you get the spare? Not too bad.
That was alright. Here's a look at the scores then. And as you can see, Declan wins. What do you have to say about that?
I did get a strike for the first one.
Oh yeah, you got a strike. That was good.
It's just that if I would have done better on the last go, I would have. I might have won. Oh, it would have been a lot closer.
Yeah, you
It was
definitely.
just because I didn't get any of the pins the second time round and the second pins upsetting, but
You didn't do bad. You did very good.
no,
Very
I didn't
good.
do that bad.
Well, there you have it. Bowling. And who comes out on top again? That's 2-0 now, if you think about it. The games that we've been doing. Golf and bowling. 2-0.
I did do better than usual though today.
Did good.
To be honest.
No, yeah.
I actually got a strike, which I never get. So
Pretty
I'm proud
good.
of that.
That is
it's
good.
it's the last bit that literally messed it all up for me. It's the 10th round. If I would have actually got any the second time when I was doing
It wasn't very good, was
it
it?
would have been either like a lot closer, or I would have maybe.
Let's be honest, it wasn't a very good performance from me. Really. Well, it was a bit of mix and match, really, but yeah, no. But yeah, anyway, that was bowling. I hope you enjoyed. And it was all good fun, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Awesome.
So good time.
yeah, if you liked, make sure to leave a thumbs up.
like and subscribe.
Hell yeah. And we'll see you all later.